Welcome. Today we are continuing with revision questions and answers in history. The questions were in yesterday's video. Look at the link in the description box. Question 3a. Factors that led to the development of the Trans-Saharan trade between North Africa and West Africa. Demand for availability of goods, for example, ivory, horses, salt, cola nuts, cloth, slaves, mirrors, and firearms. Capital was provided by the Tuaregs and the Berbers. Local trade provided a basis for regional trade. Tuaregs provided security to the traders and maintained the oases. Horses and camels transported the goods. Development of trade routes across the desert eased movement of traders. Kings such as Masai Musa of Mali controlled the trade and protected the traders. Question 3b. Organization of the Trans-Saharan trade. Traders moved in large caravans of hundreds of camels and traders for security purposes. Rich traders from the north provided trade goods and camels and horses. Tuaregs and Berbers were the desert guides, that is tashefs, and protected the oases where camels and the horses were watered. Tuaregs act as interpreters and assisted traders in getting food. Caravans left the north after the rains when sandstorms subsided. They had agents who sold goods on their behalf. A number of trade routes developed between North and West Africa, for example, from Sijilmassa through Tangaza up to Oudagost, from the Tunis through Gadems, Gat, Agate, and Gao, and through Hosaland, ending in the Yorubaland. Barter system was used as the traders lacked a common language. The kings provided protection along the trade routes, but imposed taxes on traders who passed through their territories. See, goods from North Africa and Western Sudan. Goods from North were salt, horses, glassware, beads, mirrors, needles, perfumes, spices, dried fruits, firearms, daggers, and cowrie shells. Goods from Western Sudan included gold, slaves, cola nuts, feathers, hides and skins, ivory, gum, dyed cloth, and paper. Thanks a lot for subscribing and listening to me.